Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your images clickable in WordPress, meaning when someone clicks on an image, it'll take them straight to another page, a website, or product. This is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to boost engagement and make your site look more professional. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access our WordPress account. Open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. In the top right corner, click Login. And if you want to make it quick, just choose Continue with Google. That's usually the fastest way in. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard. From here, open the page or post where you want to add your clickable image. If you're creating a new section, click the When Add a button at the top left corner. This is where you can insert new blocks or elements. Now, let's insert the image. In the search bar, type image and select the image block. You'll now get three options. Upload a new image from your device, choose one from your media library, or insert an image URL. Go ahead and add the image you want to make clickable. Once your image is in place, here comes the key step, making it clickable. Click on the image block to select it. In the toolbar that appears above, you'll see a small link icon. Click on that. Now, paste or type the destination URL you want the image to link to. This could be another page on your website, a blog post, an affiliate product, or even an external site. After entering the link, hit apply to save it. Before you publish or update your post, make sure to test the link. Simply preview your page and click the image to confirm it redirects correctly. If it takes you to the right place, congratulations. Your image is now fully clickable. And that's it. Super easy, right? With just a few clicks, you can turn any image into a powerful, interactive element on your WordPress site. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and mod subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.